So, new location. We're still in South Florida. And we're still in the swampy area. So, I'm gonna dip the camera in the water and see what cool shots we could get. So, marsh, swampy, decently deep water. You probably could throw a kayak in here, honestly. We do have some canoes over there, but I haven't seen anyone go in here. So maybe it's just for scientists and such. Alright, so we're gonna keep it pushing. We're leaving the little dock area and walking on this. The yellow belly slider lives in ponds, streams, and lakes, often seen basking on logs. Its diet consists of vegetation and small aquatic insects. The yellow blotch behind each eye and vertical yellow bands on its dark-colored shell help identify it. The narrow yellow stripes on the front legs and striped pants on the hind legs distinguish it from other turtles.